Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing hardware. Charge the Xbox controller or plug it in and update firmware using the Xbox accessories app so inputs behave predictably. Once done, choose your connection method: Bluetooth for phones and some PCs, USB for lowest latency, or the Xbox wireless adapter if available. Make sure your cloud gaming device, phone, tablet, or PC, is awake and on the same network. This reduces surprises later and ensures pairing succeeds when you press the controller's bind button. You now pair and configure. Press the controller's bind button and select it on your device's Bluetooth list, or connect the USB cable for immediate recognition. Once the OS shows the controller, open the Cloud Gaming app and choose Controller as the input source. Make sure any in-app mapping matches your preferences because some games use different layouts. If the app offers a low latency or performance mode, enable it. Test thumbsticks and triggers in the app's controller test or a quick menu to confirm responsiveness. You finish by launching the cloud game and checking every input, move, jump, and open menus to verify responsiveness. If you notice input lag or dropped inputs, reduce streaming resolution or switch to a wired USB connection to cut latency. Make sure your Wi-Fi is 5 GHz or use Ethernet for the best stability. If problems persist, repair the controller, restart the cloud app, and, if needed, reboot the host device. That single repair often resolves strange latency or drift issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.